This is flat renovation update, day 66. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So over here in the kitchen, you'll notice the first major change is that the fridge unit, which is over here, used to be over here. And the reason why we moved it was that so the counter was not blocked by the fridge unit. So that's the first major update. We've also got some handles on, as you can see, a few new cupboard doors here and here, and over there as well. And over here we have the drawers in place, still need the handles to go on. We've also got the back unit on. Basically a few more pieces are needed that I'm still waiting for. And then the kitchen should be done. Then we're gonna do the counters. Then I'm gonna change some lighting. I've also still need to fix this up over here. Oh, and one more thing is we moved this plug from there because it can't be below the water to over there, so it's in a much safer position. So just need to get all of that sorted out still. But that's the update for today.